Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Alif Abdillah and I am from Power Engineering in S.Pd Institute of Polytechnic Surabaya. In this video, I want to describe about how to measuring resistor and how to measuring battery voltage with multimeter. And this is multimeter, and this is display multimeter. This is setting of multimeter, and this is probe of multimeter. First, measuring resistor with multimeter. First, set the multimeter to 2000 kilo ohm. 2000 kilo ohm. Second, hold the probe of multimeter against legs the resistor. And can you see if the number is 000 is unsuccessful, and if you want to success, set again to 200 kilo ohm and test again. Test again and check the resistor. And wait until and you can see this display. This resistor is 8 kilo ohm. 8 kilo ohm. Notice that measuring resistor have a tolerance 5%, meaning that instead, if the coloring code to indicate 10 kilo ohm, it can indicate 9.5 kilo ohm. This problem is discrepancy of manufacturing process. Measuring resistor may not be perfect because first factor can affect the reading. For example, temperature. Yes. And after that, I want to describe about measuring battery voltage with multimeter. First, set the multimeter to port DC and set 20. After that, hold the black probe to minus battery. After that, hold the red probe to plus battery. And see the display. And this display is number 3.9. This battery voltage is 3.9 volt. Yes. Last my video. Thanks for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.